Green Creative introduces the newest retrofit LED downlight, SelectFit. Powered by Select Kelvin and SelectDrive technology, SelectFit provides 9 different solutions in one. The SelectFit Series is the perfect fit for your commercial retrofit downlights projects. SelectFit is designed from the ground up to provide high-quality light. 2 dimming versions available. One 0 to 10 volt and one 120 volt line voltage means no additional wiring. Both are IC airtight rated and suitable for wet location. Spring action clips make for an easy installation. White powder coated aluminum reflector. The frosted polycarbonate lens combined with a deep recessed spun aluminum trim reduces glare and provides a smooth, even beam of light. Easily choose your color temperatures with Select Kelvin technology. The SelectFit comes in 2 versions. For the most popular applications, use the 3000, 3500, and 4000K version. And for more specific applications, use the 2700 and 5000K version. SelectFit SelectDrive technology easily allows you to choose the right lumen output for your lighting application. Select High for high light levels from taller ceilings. Select Medium to maximize energy savings and minimize power density requirements while providing high-quality light. The low output settings is perfect for low ceilings and to save energy. SelectFit's multiple aperture sizes and wide flanges ranging from 4 to 9 inches allows you to retrofit almost all existing commercial downlight fixtures. With the power off, existing fixture removed, and existing ballast disconnected, you're ready to install the SelectFit. First, select the desired CCT and lumen output settings. Next, connect the MC cable from the fixture to the existing junction box. Connect the power. Flip the springs up and pop the SelectFit fixture into the ceiling. Retrofitting commercial downlights to fit your specific needs has never been easier. Make the one and only selection you will ever need, SelectFit. For more information, go to greencreative.com.